Say thanks, Mamu Papa.
Thanks, Mom, Papa.
Maya, say thanks, Mamu Papa.
Papa.
Okay, wait, let me look and see what's in here. Wait, this is for Mommy. Let me see what it says.
Brody. This is for Brody. Me.
I don't know who it is. This one says Brody.
Oh, thank you.
This one says Jack.
Okay. Let's open it, Mama.
Here, Maya, this one's yours. This one's Maya. What'd you get? Let me see. Oh, Lightning McQueen. What do you say?
Thank you.
What's that? Is that a Cars book?
Yes. It's drama.
What'd you get, Maya?
It's drama and we're proud. Let's draw it. It's drama.
Okay. Let me see what Maya got. She got Valentine jammies.
Here, Mom.
Look at the hearts. Do you like those?
It's opening, Mom. Let's open it.
What do you say, Maya?
Are you going to open it, Mom? Let's open it.
Hang on, here's another present.
Thank you.
It's over here, Maya. You guys are too close to me. I can't get a good picture. Is that for your baby doll, Maya? I love it, buddy.
I got a Mickey Mouser.
It's great.
It's a Mickey Mouser.
Thanks.
Let's open another present stuff. This is a ladybug, Mom. Let's open another present stuff. Let's open this one.
That might be Daddy's. Let's not do that. Let me see what it says.
Okay,
Let me look. Let me look. Let me look.
Okay, let's open it, Mom.
It says, okay, go ahead.
What is it, Mom? A pillow?
Oh, it's a little pillow for Mommy.
Mommy?
Because Brody has a little pillow, and Maya has a little pillow, and Daddy has a little pillow.
Whoa!
Thank you.
It's a little pillow.
I love it.
Let's put it in the trash can now.
Okay.
Okay, let's open that presents now. That's mine. Let's open that presents now. This is for Brody and Maya.
Let me see.
Pots, Mom.
Let me see the names.
Hello, Pet.
This is Brody's. And that's, oh my gosh, look at the ladybug. Look at the turtle.
Look.
So, take it out. I can see it.
Okay.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. It's a nice light.
Oh, I love it. You like it?
I love it. I like it.
You like it.
I found the other present. Mom. Here. This one, other present.
Boy, Brody, you sure did get a lot.
Here, Mom.
Okay, thanks. Sorry about the shaky camera. I've got a dog on me.
Wow, Mom, look it.
It's an Eric Carle turtle book.
Oh, Mommy.
Maya, can I see your books?
Okay, see my Mom.
Okay, let me see yours. Maya, can I see your book, please?
No. Mommy, that's it.
Mommy's present.
Look it.
Let me see. Turn it around so I can see.
Is that? Look Legos.
Oh my gosh.
I opened them. I opened them.
Oh, here's her books over here, Brody.
A book? What's she got, Mom?
She got a ladybug book.
Oh, what is this? Oh, what ladybug? Okay, Mom. Let's open this, Mom. Let's open this.
Wait, you guys say thank you to Mama and Papa.
Let's open them, Mom.
Wait, Brody. I didn't hear you. Say thank you to Mama and Papa.
Thank you, Mom and Papa.
For all these wonderful gifts.
Beautiful gifts.
Maya, you like it?
Yeah. Maya, can you take this off, Mom? Can you take these off, Mom?
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
You
You guys went way overboard. Love you.
Maya's opening mine.